Oh, guys, I'm so bored. There's nothing to do today.
Yeah, Radio, there's nothing to do today. Yeah, I know, guys.
What was that? Was that a hummingbird?
Yeah, was that a hummingbird? Like did Bolto get another hummingbird and let it into the house again?
Yeah, I mean, what was
Guys, I think I have the hiccups.
Oh my god, Yoshi has the hiccups. How are we gonna fix this problem?
Hey Yoshi, back in my original culture, if you had hiccups, you had to sing a song.
Okay. But I don't know what song to make.
Okay. Let's sing it together.
Okay.
If you have pizza,
pizza,
pepperoni, pizza.
Munch, stop, Munch. I don't think that's a song.
Anything is a song.
So, I went to the bathroom is a song.
That is horrible. That is not a song.
Okay, what about...
Pizza.
Wait. How about pizza?
Wait, yeah, pizza? Where's the pizza at?
I don't have any pizza.
Okay, bye guys. You have no pizza, I can't hang out with you.
Well, how are we gonna fix this problem with my hiccups?
I don't know, Yoshi. Waluigi, do you have any ideas?
How about we call somebody over to help Yoshi get rid of his hiccups?
That would be a pretty good idea. Okay, I'll go on the phone. Sucks that I have to borrow Waluigi's phone to call somebody. But please answer. Please answer.
Hello, this is Peep.
Oh, hi, Peep. I have a situation.
Okay, what's the problem?
Okay, so, me, Yoshi, and Waluigi were sitting on the couch, and then all of a sudden, Yoshi got the hiccups.
Has he tried singing a song?
Yeah, Munch came over, and, he said, sing a song, and that would help you, get rid of your hiccups.
Okay. Well, I'll come over and help Yoshi.
Oh, okay. Can you also get some chicken sandwiches on the way?
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now, I'm gonna wait at the front door.
Well, when is, Peep gonna get here?
He's gonna get here soon, okay?
Okay, guys, where's Yoshi?
He's right in front of you. Did you get the chicken sandwiches?
No, they were sold out.
Oh, man.
Okay, so, basically, we're gonna help him get rid of his hiccups. Well, how are we supposed to do that, Peep? Okay, so what we do is Boo! Nah. Come on, be scared. I'm not scared. Well, sometimes if you get scared, you lose the hiccups.
Oh.
But I know a different way that always works for me.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let me go get it. Peep, do you want to explain why this cup of water is right in front of me? Okay, well, sometimes when I have the hiccups, I take a nice, long sip of water. So you should try that too. Okay, I'll take a sip of water. That is some good water. That is the best water I ever tasted in my life. Good water. So, Yoshi, do you still have the hiccups? No, I don't think so. Okay, let's try it a different way. Okay, this time I know how to get rid of Yoshi's hiccups. I wonder what he's gonna do. Oh, what was that? I threw water on you. Why? It'll help you get rid of your hiccups. That's why. Well, it didn't work. Let's try the next stage then. Okay, guys, this is the last attempt we are going to have to get rid of Yoshi's hiccups, okay, Yoshi? Okay. Yeah, okay, so this is what it is. You will have to play on the Wii U. Okay. Yeah. How can you play on the Wii U? I mean, it's one of my favorite consoles. Yeah, the Wii U is pretty good. I just thought it would work because most people say it's pretty bad. I don't know what they're talking about. It's really good. Yeah, I don't know what they're talking about. Yeah. Let's just scoot this out of here. Well, guys, I'm out of ideas. So I'm gonna have the hiccups? Yeah, pretty much until tomorrow morning. Okay. Man, that sucks.
Yeah, let's watch some TV. Boop.
Breaking news.
Breaking news, MK. We have just received word that chicken sandwiches sold out earlier today, but now they are back and they are not sold out and they are never going to be sold out again. Now that's all the time we got. Thank you for joining us on Channel Dog News. Bye. Oh sweet, more chicken sandwiches. Oh my god, guys, look, it's another hummingbird. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, it's coming down, Yoshi. It's coming down, Yoshi. Oh no, it's on Yoshi. It's on Yoshi.
Get off of me! No! Wait, Yoshi, do you have the hiccups anymore? No, I don't think I have the hiccups anymore.
Oh sweet, you don't have the hiccups anymore. Let's watch some more TV. Boop.